And now it is up the inside, goes Lorenzo on Maverick Vinales. Oh, he takes Dovi out, he takes Vinales out, he takes Rossi out, he's taken everyone out. Jorge Lorenzo has gone from hero to absolutely lower than zero. Jorge Lorenzo, what have you just done?
Up the inside, trail breaking into turn 10, and this man, well, I bet he can't believe his luck. I mean, what a mess.
Oh. Stop the race now and restart, please.
I know.
Unbelievable. A wrecked Catalan Grand Prix. Rossi rode it like he stole it over the top of everybody else, but it wasn't good enough. It is Marquez that leads from Petrucci, the Mugello winner. Will try and pick up the commentary now through our disappointment of having some of the top runners that was just building. We've still got 21.5 laps to go. Maybe Fabio Quartararo did well not to start fast, because now he's got every chance. Jorge Lorenzo up the inside. I think he got balked a bit. It was the fact he had to squeeze it harder because Dovi was checking him up.
Yeah, it's so difficult. It's lap 2 into there. There weren't a lot of room. He was doing what every racer I know would do. He was having to go up the inside. You know, obviously he's caused the crash, but it was a racing incident. But I tell you what, look.